Hello and welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to talk about creating reusable applications from your Python scripts. So let's get straight into it. So here we are going to create command line interfaces, CLIs with plac, manage dependencies and packages with pipenv, refactor and tidy up code with PyCharm and Black. So let's get straight into it. So the first module which we have is create command line interfaces, CLIs with plac. Command line applications, referred as console applications, are computer programs designed to used for a text interface. plac claims to be the easiest to use command line arguments parser module in Python. This module targets programmers who choose to create a command line interface because it is quick and simple. plac is a simpler wrapper over the Python standard library, argparse, which hides most of its complexity by using a declarative interface. The arguments parser is inferred rather than written down imperatively. Its goal is to reduce the learning curve of argparse from hours to minutes. It does so by removing the need to build a command line arguments parser by hand. Actually, it is smart enough to infer the parser from function annotations. To use plac, we need to install module plac, which is from pip install plac. So let's do one thing. Let's have a real-time example. We'll write some fun code and try to come up with the insights. So let's get straight into it. So here is the code which we have. I'm importing plac, then I am defining a function name as main. DSN is the input parameter, car name is Swift Desire, and price is 8 lakhs. So this is like input variable and this is fixed value. Now when I will pass a new car name, it will give me this if condition. If the car price is greater than 8 lakhs, then oh come on, you are a millionaire, and if it is less than, then you have to save money. So this is what the code is, simple code. Now I want to run this code in Python Anaconda prompt. So this same file I have uploaded here as well. If you see here, this is the py file. Here is the py file. Now I will use this file to execute the program. So let's go to Anaconda prompt, Rahul, and car name, let's say Honda City, and price is 12 lakhs. So it's saying it means Rahul has Honda City bought in 12 lakhs. Oh, come on, you are a millionaire. Now let's change it. Let's say the car price is 1200. It means Rahul has Honda City bought in 1200 rupees. Dude, save something. You are a middleman. So that is how we'll execute this code in Python. So here we are running this in Anaconda prompt and getting this output. Hope this makes sense.